Right lads, here's out of a packet picking. Padlock, as you can see here. This has been sent to me by a member of uklocksport.co.uk. I believe it's an Asa padlock. I can't remember the name of the actual name of it. Nice packaging. It's laid in the drawer. Lips, that's it. Nice padlock. Alright. So no, it's not sprung loaded, so it's actually going to be a hard pick, this one. There's no counter rotation on that key whatsoever. Anyway. Oh, you pick it either way. That's good. That's key retaining. Let's do that. Right. Let's see how we get on with this one. Lovely padlock, nice and heavy. Right, I'll just check it moves okay. Yep, it's fine. Right, she's locked. Here's the key for this one. Deep set at the back there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. Quite a big key way out of this one. So use a fat wrench, a fat pick. Let's just see how we get on really. Basically to the back, sort of pick outwards and feel for sets. It's actually a massive keyway, this thing. Wow, it's a massive full set. So we can move that camera. Let me unhook the camera. Whee. That for a full set. That's that way around there. Oops, I was going to have to let go of it. If I can put the camera back. Get my fingers in the way. And then I lost it. Anyway, so next time I'll leave it. Right, back into that big full set again. So it does contain spools. There's one there. Massive thing it is. Yes, there we go. Wasn't too bad. A nice big spoolie now on number 1. There was a big spool. I'm going to have a little practice with this lock. See if I'm going to pick it the other way. And oh, thanks a lot. Sorry, I forgot your username on it, but I really appreciate this. I know you're thanks for the rigs working. Hope you get to watch this video. Really appreciate the lock. I mean, it's a brand new user on uklocksport.co.uk, and he's really kind enough to send this out free of charge for you to have a little play with. And brilliant. Thank you so much. And I'll do some more videos soon. Thanks, lads.